Hey, here is a simple recipe to make some candied bacon. I'm making this for an old fashioned I'm about to make. So I have this wire rack so the air can easily get around it in the oven. What I do is I set my oven to 325. I put about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup into some brown sugar and then just wipe it on. So give me a second, let me do it. All right, now that I got the mixture ready of maple syrup and brown sugar, really all I'm going to do is just put it on and just put it on my bacon. So I'm going to cook this for about, I would say, 40 minutes. It really depends on how thick your bacon is and what your temperature is. But, at 325, it's going to be a slower cook and it starts to get crispy later on. But I would just check it. You could do one side, you could do both sides, but that's really all you need to do. This is super simple. I'm just going to do one side and then just let it go through. So I'm just going to take this, put it in my oven, and let it hang out for about 40 minutes. And I'm going to have some candy bacon for my old fashioned later.